Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration. Form 2. Laobi Kibu Zuayo Bien. Old turtle taking short steps left and right. Press your upper body down to the left, turning your torso accordingly. At the same time, bring your left foot to your right into a feet together stance, squatting down as your right palm presses down to the left, and your left palm arcs under your right armpit. Lower into a full squat, taking a small step to the left with your left foot, as your right foot follows. Simultaneously, press your left and right palms forward alternately. Repeat this sequence 3 times. Then shift your weight to the right, and repeat this movement 3 times to the right.